Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network YouTube channel video. On this video we're going to show you a short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Pro kit here. We're in an Audi, it's an Audi Q5 right now, but we have the airbag lights showing on the dashboard. So the CR Pro kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll also put a link to the Amazon listing as well if you prefer that option. So as I say, we're going to demonstrate this tool and we're going to show you the airbag light being reset with the iCarsoft CR Pro. The CR Pro kit is a fantastic tool. In fact, it covers lots of different makes, models and functions and systems within those vehicles. So it's just first of all a case of selecting our vehicle. So we need to find Audi. So it'll ask us either to select the vehicle or the system, and I find it easier just to select the system instead of going through the whole rigmarole of selecting your vehicle then selecting the system. So it's basically giving us potentially 137 systems that this tool can communicate with in this car. Obviously it all depends on options and setup and things like that, but it's got the main options on the front screen here. So we've got 15 airbag, so that's what we need to try and connect to. And we go to read fault code. So it's giving us a P100B1B driver thorax airbag igniter resistance too high. So we found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. We've since put it back together, but obviously the airbag light is still on. That's where this tool really comes into play. It allows us to reset the ECU and tell the airbag ECU that, you know, we have fixed the fault. Can you please run another check? And hopefully that should turn off the airbag light. So we'll do that now. So we click onto clear fault memory. Fault code freeze information will be erased. Are you sure you wish to continue? We'll just click, you can either click enter or F2, which is on this side of the screen here. I'll just click enter just to show you that. When I do that, keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go, the airbag light is gone, and on screen we have erase operation done. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. As I say, I can't recommend this kit enough if you have a multi-vehicle setup, whether you're an enthusiast, a family that has just a lot of cars that they need to look after. Highly recommended. But as I say, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video. I'll also put the Amazon listing link in there as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.